Hello friends, welcome to my mom's channel Lata Santani Creations. Today's recipe is Holi special colorful instant dhokla. So let's begin. Take one big bowl and add 2 cups of semolina in it. Add 1 cup of curd and 1 cup of water. Mix very well. As this is instant recipe, you don't have to plan ahead and you can make it whenever you want. If the consistency is still thick, add half cup of water. Mix it very well. Ensure there are no lumps at all. Now cover it and let it settle for around 20 minutes. Now we will take some spinach leaves, wash it, cut it and grind it. You can make this recipe for kids' tiffin. It is colorful as well as tasty and healthy. Now let's take one beetroot and peel it. To make that smooth paste of beetroot, ensure to grate it first and then grind it. Similarly, take one carrot, peel it, grate it and then grind it to make that smooth paste. For such interesting and colorful Holi special recipes, do visit our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon. Now let's check if the semolina is soaked enough. Now take one big pan, add some water and turn on the gas. Keep the stand in it, close the lid and let it boil for some time. Now take the semolina mixture, add the salt and mix well. We'll make the dhoklas in 2 batches, so dividing the batter in 2 parts. Now add half teaspoon of baking soda and then add little hot water on top of it. To ensure the batter becomes fluffy enough, mix in one direction only. Now divide the batter in 4 equal portions. Now add 2 tablespoons of beetroot paste in one of the portions. Similarly add carrot paste and spinach paste in 2 other portions. Mix the individual portions properly. For such easy and healthy recipes, do subscribe our channel. Now open the lid and add a well-greased plate on top of the stand. Now add the carrot mixture in the plate and spread it well. Cover it and let it cook for 30 seconds. Open the lid after 30 seconds. Now add the white batter on top of it and spread it well. Now let it cook for 30 seconds again. Now repeat the steps for beetroot batter and the spinach batter. It is important to cook for 30 seconds in between at least so that the layers don't mix up. After adding the last layer, let it cook for 7 to 8 minutes on high flame. Let's do the knife test to check whether it is cooked or not. The batter is not sticking to the knife, that means it is ready. Now to add the tempering, take some oil in a frying pan. Once heated, add some mustard seeds. Add some green chilies and curry leaves. Fry the ingredients for a few seconds. Now spread it on the dhokla. Let's cut the dhokla into small pieces. Our colorful Holi special dhoklas are ready to serve. With this, add some color to your plate this Holi. Don't forget to share your comments and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Happy Holi. Take care. Bye bye.